Welcome back. I had a couple of students request a little bit more information on the process of the handy dandy measuring device, which is this piece of paper or any piece of paper. So let me give you just a little close up on just about this. If I have a line that is that long and I want to find out how to measure that, I'm going to put my handy dandy measuring device, and I always fold it because it's easier to put a little tick mark in. So I'm going to put a tick mark on this end and a little mark on this end, and that's how long the mark is. So if I wanted to create a rectangle that was twice the width, I would measure 1 and 2. And then I could come in and I could create, I realize that I'm a little on an angle here, but that's okay. And give me a good width in here. And that's that measurement. So now, the nice thing about this is I don't have to break down, is it 1/4 of an inch or is it 3/17 or whatever. It's simple this way. So now if I want to find half of this, all I do is I take my sheet of paper and I fold it in half and I line up the 2 tick marks on each side. And I just line them straight up, and that would be 1/2 of that width. Now, if I fold it again, I take the outside in, I've now got 4 folds in there. So that means that that measurement is 1/4 of that original width. So if I fold it out, and you can see here, you can see my tick marks. So that's 1/4, 1/2, and another 1/4. All right, so let's just try. Let's just say I wanted this width to be 1.5. So I put in 1 width, which is here to here, and then I go to my half mark, and I align that here, and I simply make a mark. And now I know that the distance from here to here is 1 and 1/2 the width. Does that make sense? And from here to here was 2. Oh, sorry. 1.5 widths equals the height. Sorry about that. And this is 2 widths equals the height. So these little formulas really, really help. And so the measuring device, then it doesn't really matter what the actual measurement of that in. It would be very difficult to be able to, break that down into what's half of that with our scales. So simply by measuring, folding, we can come up with all kinds of measurements. Now, this starts to get really dirty and busy and that sort of thing. So all you have to do is just take it and fold it. And now we have a brand new measuring device. And again, we can go right back to whatever the widths are. Let's just try the height on this one, that double. And we're going to put a tick mark top and bottom. We're going to fold it in half and align our 2 points. I have to make sure that you get the right 2 points, especially if your paper's starting to get a little dirty. So look at that. That's exactly half, and that's exactly what our width was here. So I hope that helps a little bit. We are going to be using this device quite a bit this semester. So it's important for you to be able to understand how this actually works. So if you have any questions, let us know and we'll walk you through it again. Thank you very much.